Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Honor device to Nubia Pad 3D. Begin by accessing Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Then to use it, tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm. Continue. And allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then click on your device's screens and select Send at the bottom left corner of Honor. Then Receive right next to Send on Nubia. Also on Honor, using all of those categories available at the top, you can select all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom and tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Finally, it's time to select one of those connection ways. If you want to connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and hit Receive. You can also click on this scanning icon above User Guide, close and add, click on while using the app in the pop-up and point your tablet's camera at the code, then wait. Wherever you decided, when you finished, you need to wait for all of your files to transfer and close and add. As you can see, after that, all of mine were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!